Hi guys, welcome back to our tutorial. So today we will be discussing about cards. Cards displays a what do you call this a different layout. So we have the vertical, horizontal layouts, and they are well known for presenting objects. So we have also actions right there. So let's start digging into it. First thing is we need to implement the material card widget. So this contains material card content. So it's just a simple card, so we just need to make use of a card content and also a card action. So card content contains the title and description, and material card action contains just the actions. So let's refresh the page. Okay, so you have a simple card right there. So you can also register click events right there, our material links, or an href if you go to somewhere else. Okay, so next thing is we need to discuss also the card image. I'll just copy paste here. So our card image, it's the same with the implementation on a simple card, but the only new element here is the card image, material card image. So the material card image contains a material image and also a material card title. So um yep, and then the same thing goes with the material card content. So material card content and material card action should be the same as the simple card, but I think material content just contains the a single element, which is the material label. And then yeah, notice that we have a waves light here. So it's just a ripple effect when we click the image. So let's just refresh the page now. Okay, so this is our card image. So you see the light there. So the light coming from the ripple effect um, is the waves property. So that's it. So next thing, we need to discuss also the um, horizontal type. So this is the horizontal type. So horizontal type, um, the same thing as the material card image, but the only difference is we need to define the orientation to be landscape by default, because by default the material card orientation was portrait. So we just need to override that, and also we need to make sure we have the property detect orientation true, because this one it will be particularly it will be applied also on the mobile version to apply uh, portrait instead of the landscape. Yep, for for the optimization also. So here same thing. So we have material card image, so we need also to indicate the height, because by default material card image height is auto, so which means it fills all over the container. I mean the width of the container, expand it all over that. And then here we just need to override the height to be 126 pixels um, depending on your card height. So you need also to define the card height there. And yeah, let's define it. So and then here we have also material card content and action, so same thing goes. Okay, so let's just refresh the page. Yep, so you have that. So you have a this is good for displaying it into for example, if you have a vertical grid or something like that, you can just as an alternative you can make use of the material horizontal type card. So next we have the card reveal. Okay, so here we go. So the material card reveal expects the same as the card image, which contains the image there. We have also the content, we have also the action. So the only additional here is the reveal, material card reveal element, which contains just the title and also a label. So the material card reveal um, once behaves just like this. So once you click the um, card title, so it will open up the reveal, I mean the background behind the material card to introduce another kind of widget just to show you that. Maybe I can just show you that. So I'll just refresh the page. So this is the card, and then once you click that, so it will open up, it will slide it up a new widget, which is the card reveal widget. Then you can just close. So this is good for example, you want just to display the title of the card, and then you want the description to be shown after you click the more vertical icons. So that's it. Next type, which is the last example that I can discuss with you, is we call it yeah, just another implementation, so another custom implementation. So take note that our material widget element takes any customization you want. So yeah, so you including the background color, the grid layouts, and also the card content. You can contain multiple information right there. Here we have a avatar image. So yep. So I'll just discuss. Yeah. So this is the look for that. So that's good. So we have our custom implementation, and yeah. So those are the examples or demos that I can share with you. So later on we'll be discussing also animations, which I didn't include in it yet, including the this one. So including the grid card animation. So I will introduce you that on the later part of this tutorial.